So our research shows about 1 in 5 people have cheated on their other half while they've been away on holiday, and around 10% of those have cheated on their other half whilst they've been away with that partner. And this is quite surprising and also quite shocking, because many of those people have also been on what we'd call a make or break holiday to try and reconcile with their other half. So commonly many people were away with friends on stag or hen do's, or also away with work as well. Some of the main factors that appear to have encouraged this are alcohol, lots of sun, having a good time, but also being away from home, being away from the normal reality of day-to-day life, and dreaming of holiday romances. I think the more time you spend together and the more you can communicate is certainly important if you're trying to reconcile and trying to improve on your relationship. So holidays can work, but they can also add a bit of a magnifying glass on any cracks that are already there. Spending an intense amount of time together in stressful environments such as an airport, or perhaps drinking too much, can add pressure on there as well. So my advice would be, if you think your spouse has cheated on you, would be to first of all not panic. Speak to your partner, try and establish the facts, try and consider how you think that's going to impact on your relationship. And then I would say you need to take some advice as well. You might want to speak to a family lawyer if you think your relationship has broken down irretrievably and there's no prospect of a reconciliation. Alternatively, you may also wish to investigate marriage counselling as well to see how they might be able to help. So if you want to file for divorce on the basis of adultery, you don't necessarily need evidence. What you do need is admission from the other party who's committed the adultery that they've done so. Alternatively, if you don't have that, if they won't provide their admission of adultery, then quite often we would instead file for divorce on the basis of behaviour, and within that mention the fact of the adultery, or that person's cheated on you. If you've cheated on your partner and you're considering filing for divorce, I think it's important that you take some advice, find out what your legal options are. It's quite helpful to take that advice straight away, so then you can speak to your partner, discuss the options and plan ahead. That's really important, particularly where there are children involved, or property matters as well. So you want to plan ahead, think for the future, but most importantly, be sensitive as to the other party's needs as well.